In this first video, we're going to open Gmail and cover some of the basic settings and functionality of Gmail. And as well, we're going to cover how to change the initial settings of your account so that everything's in the right language for you. Normally, when a new account's made, it will be in Russian as the default language. So in this first instance, the first thing we'll do is look at how to change the language. So let's open Gmail, gmail.com, and it brings up your password and login information window. I'm going to log in with my test account, which has been created for these videos. If you want to see the password on screen to check that it's been typed properly, press the I button. If you don't, cover it up. And then we're in. Now at the moment, this account, being brand new, is set up with Russian as the default language. All the menu options are given in Russian and all the settings choices are given in Russian. So, 2 steps to make sure that we've got everything in English. First, we've got to change the language in Gmail, so I'll guide you through how to do that now. Press the setup button, and Настройки means settings. Press here, and it's one of the first options. This one here means language, and you can change it to English. Let's change it to US English. And then simply scroll all the way down to the bottom, as far down as you can go, and press this button, which means save. The page will refresh, and now all the menu options in Gmail are in English. The next step is making sure that the language is changed for our general Google account, so that in all the other apps, it knows that you're an English speaker. Up here at the top, that's your account settings. Click it, and click Manage Your Google Account. This will enable you to manage Google in general, so that it knows that every app you open is being opened by an English speaker. Click this button here, means Data and Personalization, this one. Scroll down, 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 and we'll find our settings. Look for this picture. First option is language, same word as before. Click it. Now the first language is Russian here. This one is what we press to add a new language. So I'll click it here, find English. It asks which type of English. We'll go for US English again. And click OK. And it adds English. Now it's still saying that Russian is the default language and that we have English as an option. I'm going to promote English to the default language. And now you see everything changes to English. And I go back and everything should now be in English. So that's step 1 in accessing Gmail and accessing your Google apps in the language of your choice. The next video will be about the features of Gmail itself.